Welcome to this comprehensive overview of KuCoin, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the platform, from trading features to staking opportunities, and how to maximize your experience. First, head to KuCoin's website, where you'll notice a clean interface designed for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a simple sign-up process, you can get started in just minutes. Remember to use my referral link in the description to claim your bonus as a new user. Once registered, you'll be greeted with a customizable dashboard where you can view real-time market data, track your portfolio, and access trading pairs. KuCoin supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, making it ideal for diverse trading strategies. To make your first trade, go to the Market section. Here, you'll find detailed information on various trading pairs and charts powered by TradingView. Select your preferred pair, set your parameters, and execute your trade with ease. For users seeking passive income, KuCoin offers staking and lending features. In the Earn section, you can explore ways to grow your assets by staking tokens or lending them to earn interest. KuCoin's soft staking program is especially attractive, as it allows you to earn rewards without locking your funds. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is another key highlight of KuCoin, with advanced measures like two-factor authentication, trading passwords, and a robust insurance fund to protect your assets. Additionally, the platform offers low trading fees, giving you more value for every transaction. Navigate to the spot trading section to access advanced tools such as margin and futures trading. For automated trading, KuCoin also provides trading bots that allow you to execute predefined strategies effortlessly. KuCoin's mobile app is a must-have for those who prefer trading on the go. It offers the same functionalities as the desktop version, ensuring that you never miss a trading opportunity. The app is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for busy users. Stay updated on the latest trends with KuCoin's blog and news section, which provides valuable insights into the crypto market. For any assistance, the 24/7 customer support team is always ready to help. Subscribe to this channel and give a like to stay informed about the best tools and strategies in the crypto space.